get it, but still, yeah.
Yeah, but I'd rather not have to bend it back though, if we don't have to though.
It's just so close to clearing this.
Oh, right, you're gonna... It won't be much.
Try and plug that.
And we're making more of a fucking mess of coolant.
It won't have the top bolts when it's in that.
I was going to say, you're not a real RV owner if you don't have a cut and shut with no top bolts in the belt.
I'm not running a cut and shut, but trust me, the top bolts are coming out and not going back in.
Hold on, hold on. You're good? Swing it my way. Good. Ta-da!
Sweet, and that is the 20 out of the Safiro for the last time. What's going on, guys? Back another video. You just saw we just took the motor out of the Safiro, did all the hard yards and shit last weekend, just pulled it out of the car. Had Mace, Carlos and Matt here, so the four of us able to do it real quick. So that's done, clean this up, pull this out, and then something that you guys have been asking for a while. This comes back, and we're finally working on the 33 today. So we'll jump into that and yeah, get shit done. Alright, so we're going to take this harmonic balancer off, and I brought a kit a while ago, which you can see just down there. But unfortunately, all the bolts and stuff for these things, they're all too thick to go into the balancer. So I've had to borrow one of my uncle's, so we're just going to chuck this in and pull the pulley off, get the new pulley in, all the radiator and shit in, and then Mace is going to do a fucking skid. Alright, so it's starting to come out nice and easily now, just slowly working away at it, not rushing it, because these two bolts here, they're pretty thin, so they will snap. So all of this is doing is pulling this unit back, and obviously these bolts are connected to the actual pulley, so when we pull this out, it's pulling the bolts out, which is pulling the pulley off, and this is sitting on the bolt, which is in the crank. And it's off! Alright, so Mace is just putting the new pulley on. It's lined up with the locating pin, just putting the bolt in and gonna tighten the bolt and let that push it on. Hammered it a little bit just to sort of get the first initial bit on, and then yeah, tighten the bolt and should be sweet. Yeah. Now what we're going to do is, it's in gear, I'm going to jump in it, stand my foot on the brakes, and Mace is going to use the power bar, and you basically just swing off that as fucking hard as you can and try and get it tight, because the absolute last fucking thing in the world you want is that pulley coming off when you're revving at like 8k doing little johnnies, and yeah, that'll equal a very, very bad fucking time. Alright, so we got the pulley on, it's all good. Now it's time to chuck the belts on, chuck the radiator in, and then chuck the fan on and start her up. And then it's time for Mace to finally do a skid in the old RFB garage here. Right, so we got the radiator in, now we're just tightening up the fan, then we're gonna top it up, bleed it, and then Mace is gonna do a fat one for you guys. Look what showed up. Look at this, we got a pretty sick FDRX7 here. You guys will see this in a video that will come out later this week, but yeah, look forward to that. Right, so it's all buttoned up, radiator's in, fans on, pulleys on, all the belts are on. How are you going to get through there?
Wait. Is this got a battery in the boot?
Factory.
I was going to say, someone spent the money on it. It's getting quite bad. I was going to jump. Yeah, I would have been reversed.
So we got to jump it in these...
It's not in gear, is it?
Nah.
something's loose.
Start it again. I know it's risky, but just start it again, but keep your finger ready to shut it off, and we'll figure out what it is.
Ready?
Yep.
On your side. It's almost going away.
That's just a bit.
There's something in the power steering. It's down here.
Yeah.
Oh, dude!
goes
It's
up
your
and
AC. It's your AC pump. Is your AC on the car turned on? Like, it's coming from down there, the
Yeah, I was
AC
gonna say,
pump.
it's 100% your side, and it goes faster with revs.
Yeah. Okay, turn it on.
First time it's moved under its own power in a long time. Oi! Give it some limmy!
What?
Give it some limmy.
Dude, if you see any of this dance,
Alright, the moment you guys have been waiting for. The 33 is finally going to do a skid.
has he ever done a step?
Second gear! Nice!
No way that banger got seconds. Dude, your 20 did struggle to get second last weekend.
Bro, that thing has such low compression.
Oh my fucking god. Dude, I so wanted you to like walk it out doing that.
How is that?
Well, she got second.
Alright, so that'll wrap it for this one. Mace's car is finally done. So yeah, like, subscribe, comment, and we'll catch you guys next time.